Welcome everybody to Buck in the Kitchen. This is going to be a simple one today. Macaroni chicken salad. What you're going to need is half a bag of elbow noodles. Any brand, doesn't matter I guess. You're going to need one small red onion, half a red pepper, some green pepper, and half a white onion. Cheese to your liking. One can of chicken. I use Kirkland. You can use whatever you want. You can put tuna in if you like that. Salt, pepper, and Miracle Whip. Has to be Miracle Whip. If you're making anything salad, has to be Miracle Whip. Paprika. Let's put all this together. So make sure you got your elbow noodles cooked. Rinse them with cold water. Alright, you're going to put in your diced veggies. Slap that in there. Put in your chicken. It's always better to pre-shred this so you don't get big chunks in there. Unless you like that. Now you're going to mix this up a little bit. Mix that up. Mix it all in there good. Alright. You can put your cheese in there if you want. Right now, spread all that around. Mix that up. Just fold it over. Probably gonna make a mess like me. Alright. Salt to your tasting. Try it. Pepper, same thing. Next, your mayonnaise. Let me just rinse this real quick. Alright, put your mayo in. Let's try this. Okay, let's mix this up. Your mayo. You can put green onion in here too if you got it. I don't have that, so it's not going in there. Just keep mixing. Make sure it's all good. Probably should have put it in my bigger Pyrex bowl, but what are you gonna do? I didn't think I had this much in here. Okay. Just keep mixing. Keep mixing. There. I think I'll add some more mayo. Let's try that. Spilling out, that's all good. Who gives a shit? You gotta clean it up after anyway. So. That in there. take a little bit here. Let's see. So that's what it looks like. Now we'll just add some paprika to this. There you have it. Macaroni salad. Really appreciate you watching. Thumbs up and subscribe. See you later.